different types of shutters that we have used for this project. Let me show you all of them. The first one is fabric. We wanted to use fabric for the shutters of these wardrobes. What we have done is to use glass on one side and plywood on the other and sandwich the fabric so that it is maintenance friendly. The second type of shutters that you see here are with softboard. This is a very good space saving hack and it's also good